There was a time when I used to wake up tired even after sleeping 8 hours. My body was working, but I didn't feel alive. I was chasing my dreams on YouTube, managing my studies, planning my future. But the one thing I was ignoring was my health. And trust me, that was the biggest mistake of my life. In this video, I'm going to share the real truth about health. Not gym advice, not six-pack tips, but why your health is the foundation of your success. If you are someone who wants to grow in life, on YouTube, in your studies, your career, but you always feel tired, lazy, and motivated, this video is for you. I used to skip breakfast, sleep late, drink tea instead of water, and sit for 10 hours editing videos. I thought I was working hard, but my mind was foggy, my energy was fake, my body was suffering, and slowly my productivity crashed. I wasn't failing because of the lack of talent. I was failing because my health was silently pulling me down. One day while editing a video, my eyes started burning badly. My head was spinning. I paused everything and looked in the mirror. Dark circles, pale face, weak body. I realized I was destroying myself in the name of hustle. Everyone talks about success, money, and goals. But nobody tells you you can't win the game if your body is already losing. You can't focus if your brain is tired. You can't create if your body is sick. You can't hustle if your energy is missing. So I made small changes, and it changed everything. Started sleeping 7-8 hours properly, no late night scrolling. Drank more water, simple but powerful. Did basic stretching or 15-minute walk daily, helped my mind more than body. Reduced junk food, not fully but enough to feel better. Took real breaks, not with phone but with silence. And slowly my energy came back. My mood improved, my focus got stronger. And the best part, one started creating better content in less time. You don't need a gym. You don't need a perfect body. You just need to respect your body. It's your engine. If the engine fails, the car won't move, no matter how beautiful it looks outside. I'm not perfect even now. I still make mistakes and I still skip routines sometimes. But now I don't ignore my health, because I've learned the hard way. If you don't make time for your health, you'll be forced to make time for your illness. So, if you're watching this right now, take a deep breath and promise yourself one thing. From today, I will take care of my health, not for six packs or Instagram, but for my dreams, for my focus, for my happiness.